Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM. And today I want to talk about some of enhancements in how OpenBOM will manage catalogs and bill of materials. So remember, catalog is a sort of database of all parts, components, and items that you develop in your organization. And this is one of the examples that I have a catalog of components and parts that I'm using in my caster wheel project. So what I will be able to do in OpenBOM in the coming release is that I will be able to navigate directly to the bill of materials of a particular part or component or assembly. So for example, if I do have this assembly of a caster wheel, I can now navigate to these items bill of materials. So think about this, it's also a way to create a new bill of materials. So if I want to create new bill of materials now, I can create a new bill of materials for this caster wheel. So for example, I navigate to the existing bill of materials, and this is how it opened. So I am getting bill of materials for this caster wheel. So it might be a wrong bill of materials, it might be bill of materials that I developed before, but for the moment, this is the materials of caster wheel. Now, if I want to create, navigate to the assembly of this secondary bearing cage, I can navigate to this item BOM, and the OpenBOM will give you an alert that this bill of materials for this assembly doesn't exist. Well, great. In this case, I can directly go and create bill of materials for this assembly, and OpenBOM creates this bill of material and allows me to add additional component. Now pay attention, what happens is that catalog already configured, so you don't need to do any extra work that you've been doing before by assigning, finding catalog. So already everything is configured, and now I can go and search for parts, and I can bring my my parts to this bill of materials, and the information will be coming immediately. So that's one enhancement and again, this is the way to navigate to the bill of materials from a catalog, directly from catalog, or create a catalog. Now, another improvement that will be coming in the coming version, in the next version of OpenBOM, is the new BOM creation process. So if I will go to OpenBOM dashboard and I will navigate to the new BOM, you will see that this new BOM dialog is changed now, and it allows you to select the catalog immediately. So this is very good because it can allow you to decide what catalog to use and what part number to create, and also to create a name, which is a feature that was available before. But now what is good is that we are getting a possibility to select catalog, and when I create a BOM, the entire process will bring bill of materials together with configured catalog and the ability to select and start using the parts directly from this catalog. So overall, those two features will provide more easier and continuously connected experience of creating BOM catalogs and navigating between BOMs and catalogs. And there is a feature that probably you're not aware about, but it's available already in OpenBOM. If I have a part in a BOM, I can navigate to info panel, and I can go directly to the catalog where this part is defined. So that was Oleg with OpenBOM and new improvements that will be coming in OpenBOM in a new BOM creation process and a catalog to BOM navigation. I hope you like it, and we will talk soon. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye-bye.